Hey, what's up? Let's do a quick video on the brain. Happen to have a brain model right here. This is it. I want to talk to you right now about the biggest part, which is the cerebrum. We see a lovely cerebrum right here. Notice it has all these wrinkles to it. These upward ridges, each of them is a gyrus. Each is a gyrus. These grooves, each is a sulcus. Gyri and sulci let you maximize your surface area. More area, more volume to your brain means more neurons, which means more synapses, which is going to make you more smarter. Note that the cerebrum is divided up into two hemispheres. I have a right hemisphere and a left hemisphere. There is a longitudinal fissure separating the two. Did not mean to take that apart right there, not yet at least. Notice that between the cerebrum and cerebellum, there is another fissure. It is the transverse fissure. We also have an important sulcus on the side here, the lateral sulcus. And an important sulcus, you can see where somebody has put their pencil. It wasn't me. They put their pencil in right there. That is the central sulcus. We'll come back to these guys. Now, the cerebrum is divided into several different lobes. We have our frontal lobe in the front. Frontal lobe is where you do all your critical thinking, your analysis. It is where you have your conscious decision making, your personality, your sense of humor, all that good stuff that makes you you and makes you smart. We've got our parietal lobe, which is very much involved in somatosensation. So your sensation of your body, both your sense of touch and your sense of proprioception, this idea that you know what your joints are doing even without looking at them, okay? More lobes. In the back, we have the occipital lobe, which is very much involved in vision. On the side, we have the temporal lobe, which is very much involved in hearing. And if I pull open the lateral sulcus, there it is. You see that little guy hiding in there? That is the insula, our hidden lobe. There goes half my cerebellum right there. The insula is very much involved in taste and other things. By the way, the list I just gave you was by no means exhaustive at all. The brain does so much. We're just scratching the surface here. Now, recall that earlier I had mentioned there was a central sulcus here. So the gyrus in front of the central sulcus is known as the precentral gyrus. This is where you have your primary motor cortex. This is where you control and initiate your voluntary movements. What's really interesting about this is that it exhibits a contralateral relationship. So I'm moving my right hand right now. To move my right hand, I have to use my left precentral gyrus, to move my right hand. That is contralateral control. All right, behind the central sulcus, we have the postcentral gyrus, right there. That postcentral gyrus is your primary somatosensory cortex. This is where you first will be able to unravel the signals coming to your body regarding touch and proprioception. All right, that is pretty much it for this brief cerebrum introduction. I'll see you for the next brain video. Bye.